Welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit BBQ. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make some absolutely delicious smoked burgers on a pellet smoker. Stay tuned. All right, let's get started on these smoked burgers. I want to thank 1855 for sponsoring today's video. If you guys have not tried 1855 meat, check out the link below. And if you do see the 1855 badge on a package of meat, just know that it's upper 2/3 choice or better. If it's less than that, it does not get the 1855 label. If you go to 1855.com, hit the hamburger on the upper right hand side, and you'll find a tab that says where to buy. Click on that, type in your location, and you'll find the nearest butcher shop or meat department that sells 1855 meat. Now these burger patties do come pre-packaged, as you can see. And I've had these before and they are absolutely delicious. They're really nice and thick. I believe they're about a ½ pound a piece. I've never really actually weighed them. But I do make smoked burgers on my food truck. And I gotta tell you, we smoked those burger patties on my offset smoker. But this pellet smoked burger blows that offset smoked burger away. Look at that, really nice thick patty. That's definitely ½ pound. All right, let's season up these burgers. I'm gonna be using this rub from PS Seasoning. This is the Smoky Texas Barbecue Rodeo Rub. It's got some amazing flavor. I've used this before. Now the only thing I'm gonna do is add a little bit more black pepper to these burger patties. Now this is a really big burger patty, so make sure you season it really well. Now this rub's got a really nice smoky flavor to it, but I like a little bit extra black pepper, so I'm going to put some extra black pepper. This is 16 mesh black pepper, but if you just have regular black pepper, that'll work. I think in this day and age, I think almost every household has some kind of pellet smoker. Now there's going to be some die-hard people out there that don't believe in pellet smokers. They call them easy bake ovens. Well, I got to tell you, man, you are missing out. For those of you guys and gals that do not have a pellet smoker yet, maybe after watching this video, you'll change your mind. It's so easy and super delicious. I gotta tell you, I smoked some briskets on a pellet smoker that would be extremely challenging to tell if it was smoked on a pellet smoker or an offset smoker. They are that good. All right, so for this cook, I'm gonna be using these Smokin Pecan pellets. If you guys have not tried them, you are missing out. Now these pellets are made from 100% pecan shells, nothing else, no flavor enhancers, no fillers, no binders, nothing else but these pecan shells right here. Now I've been using Smokin Pecan pellets for quite some time and I'm extremely pleased with the performance of this pellet. Not only do they last longer than any other pellet that I've ever used, but the flavor is where it's at. Give them a shot, check out the link below and order yourself a few of these boxes. All right, so I've got my Yoder Weiss 640 pellet smoker running at 350 degrees, and watch this, even at 350 degrees, these pellets develop some really nice smoke. Check this out. Look at that. So you guys know I love to use aluminum foil to clean out my grates. It's no different on my pellet smoker. All right, so I'm gonna load up my burger patties. All right, so I'm gonna smoke these burger patties again at 350 degrees, and I'll bring you guys right back. All right, so 30 minutes have passed. Let's go ahead and flip these burgers. Oh yeah. Man, these burgers are looking delicious. It smells absolutely amazing. I gotta tell you, if you guys have never tried pellet smoked burgers, you are missing out. I can't wait to show you guys the end result. So another 30 minutes and I'll bring you guys right back. All right, ladies and gents, it's been another 30 minutes. Let's flip these burgers one more time and put the cheese on top. Ooh, baby. Man, the color of these burgers is absolutely savage. Oh yes, perfect. Now I'm not getting an internal temperature or anything like that because burgers are ready when they look ready, in my opinion. So I've got some American cheese. So a couple of these burgers are gonna get double cheese, like this one right here. So I'm gonna let the cheese melt for about 5 minutes. We'll see you guys inside. All right, so the burgers are ready, and the total cook time was 1 hour and 10 minutes. Again, that extra 10 minutes was just to melt the cheese. So I've got myself a toasted brioche bun here. And this is how I like my burgers. Mayo on the bottom. Duke's mayo, of course. And I love me some onions. So I'm gonna put about 4 rings of onions on the bottom. If you don't like onions, you can leave them out. Yellow mustard on the top. And last but not least, our beautiful half-pound smoked burger patty from 1855. Look at that bad boy. Top it off, and that is my pellet smoked burger. Now before I bite into this burger, I want to show you the smoke ring on that burger patty. Look at that really nice reddish color. That's 100% pecan shell pellets right there. So I'm just going to cut this in half. I want to show you guys the smoke ring on this burger patty. It is insane. Look at that. I don't get that kind of smoke ring on my offset smoker. Yeah, buddy. Now let's give that burger a try. All right, let's give this pellet smoked burger a try. Look at that bad boy right there. This is gonna be absolutely delicious. It's a big old burger. Here we go. This is ridiculous good. Man, this burger's got an amazing smoky flavor, and that premium beef from 1855 is hard to beat. I'm telling you guys, do not sleep on these pellet smoker burgers, but make sure that you do it with those smoking pecan pellets. So I know a lot of you saw my brand new Texas flag cutting board. Check out 2 Acre Woodworks and enter Smokin Joe's at checkout and get yourself one of these amazing cutting boards. I hope you guys enjoyed this simple and delicious pellet smoked burger. If this is your first time to my channel, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Until next time, Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue. See ya. Oh yeah.